Hello guys, what's up? So today we are going to solve day 8 problem on the Leetcode May challenge, and the problem statement is like this. Uh, the title of the problem is check if it's a straight line. So you are given an array of coordinates where each of the coordinate is in the form of x and y, and so x and y represent the coordinates. Check if these points make a straight line in xy plane. Okay, so in a 2D plane we'll have to check if it make a straight line. So before I go into the examples, you should know that three points, only 3 points can make a line. So to check if those 3 points lie on a straight line, you will have to check their slopes. If slope of these points are same, then only they can lie on a straight line, otherwise they won't lie on a straight line. To find the slope of 2 points, you actually do like this. So let's say these are the points. I just took the from the examples that are given. So the first example is given like this. So in this case my points are like 1 2, where x1 is like 1 and y1 is like 2. Similarly for this point, x1 is 2 and y2 is 3. Similarly like this. So if I calculate the slope of these 2 points, then the slope will be equal to y2 minus y1, which is 1, and then x2 minus x1, which is 1. So the slope will be 1. Similarly for this 4 and 3 point, or 3 and 2 point, the slope would be 1 by 1 equal to 1. So because both of these slopes are same, so this 3 point will lie on the straight line. Let x1 2 and 3 point will lie on a straight line. Similarly we'll have to check for the rest of the points, like these lie on a straight line, then these lie on a straight line. So for all of these points to lie on a straight line, all of these points should have a slope equal to 1, because if these have slope 1, then the other points should also have slope 1, otherwise they will be in a different line segment. So let's just check this example as well. So in this case we are given point 1, which is 1 1, point 2 is 2 2, and point 3 is 3 and 4. So if I calculate the slope of this point, like 1 and 2 second point, the slope will come out as 2 minus 1, which is 1, divided by 2 minus 1 1, which is 1, right? And then for 3 and 2, the slope will come out to be 2 divided by 1, which is 2. So these slopes are not equal. So point 1 2 and 3, they don't lie on a straight line or on the same line. So we can say that these points are not collinear, or they don't lie on the same straight line. So while doing that, we'll have to keep a track of this variable, because it could be possible that both x point of these coordinates are equal. In that case the slope will become infinity. So we'll have to kind of check for these values. So let's just write code for this. So to track a slope, we can have a set, or we can have a variable. So let's say I have a variable which is slope, which is initially none, and then I basically have my I equal to 0, I equal to 1, because I'll be traversing my collection from first position and will be checking this point with the previous coordinate. So I'll use a while loop. So I have my previous coordinate like px and py, and they will be equal to I minus 1, and my current coordinates, which are x and y, will be equal to coordinate I. Now I need to calculate the slope. So the slope of these two will be y minus py divided by x minus px. If x not equal to px, otherwise this will become infinity, else I'll just mark the slope as float infinity, right? So in this case, what I will do is I will basically have my slopes, and I'll check if my slope, let me just rename it as current slope. If I have slope, so if not slope, I'll set slope as current slope. If I have a slope, then if my current slope not equal to my slope, I can return false, else I return true, right? So basically here what I'm doing is so during my first iteration I won't be having a slope, so it will set my global slope variable as my current slope. So that will be slope of my first 2 points. After I have slope of my first 2 points, from third point onwards I'll have slopes, and I keep matching to my existing slope. If that current slope is not equal to my existing slope, I will simply return false from here. If it keep matching, that means the points are lying on the same straight line. So I can simply just go and complete my traversal of the collection of coordinates, and then I can return 2. Let's just try to run it. Okay, sorry, I actually made a mistake. I did not increment my pointer here. So it is returning true for my this. My solution was right. So let's submit it now. It will work now. Got accepted. 77. Thank you guys.